and that can't prove nothing. Nobody is sure of who was on the phone. But I me for know and she for know that we have an understanding and whatever that guy has been doing over is 16, is it 16 years now? This guy has been dragging my fucking name through the dirt because of mega tell them publishing, because you ask me for my publishing, I'ma say me not signing to an artist. It don't make sense. Why am I going to sign to a fucking artist my publishing? No, I
Who
am
is
not Sean Stamp.
banging? Watch out now, what I want, my viewers, my subs. Welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. As I say, Merry Christmas to everybody, Happy New Year when it comes. As I say, hope everybody doing good, hope everyone doing great. On this lovely, wonderful day. So people, Deva Brat, actually, factually, Deva Brat, a farmer, member of the Portmore Empire, respond to Vybz Cartel interview that he did on the Fix, where he was asked a question about why he kicked Deva Brat out the group. You get to me and say, I know over the years, this been a stain on Deva Brat's career, him being in charge of GRAPE. You get to me and say, people, yes man, and that's something we couldn't escape. You see me? Further, he never went to prison for that, but you know, there's the stigma of that whole situation there. You know what them asked Vybz Cartel, why them kick him out of the group. Vybz Cartel say, yo, the first time I give him the benefit of a doubt, you see me I say, give him the benefit of the doubt, I bail him, and now the second time you get charged for the same thing, police lock you up and hold on you for the same exact thing. No, you're sick. You see me I said, and that's what basically Vybz Cartel. Matter of fact, I play the clip phone right now. Here's Vybz Cartel on the Fix interview.
Deva Brat.
They no hold grudges against Deva Brat.
Why is it you kick him out?
I'm gonna tell you. Remember, it a tape?
Yeah.
Cause on a rape.
Exactly.
So it was when they close though.
Why?
As in, we're being mature.
Why same way?
I was friends.
Remember, you know, me give the Shelly fit of the doubt on the first charge. And when me bail him charge of rape again. And me just leave it. Ask it, bro. Anybody with the one me can tell you that.
Yeah.
No joke. They give the benefit of the doubt. Because I know woman stay.
Yeah.
But twice? Yeah, you do something.
Liar,
You do nothing. You do something when not nice. Yeah, because now me bail upon weed and sell low weed. And while they upon bail, they get catch with the next 2 pounds of weed. A fool they take me for.
Yeah.
You know them way there?
Yeah.
But yeah, when I pre, like, bro, yeah, that's just bad for business. What the fuck? And you're a star, you're not shot at pum pum. Stop it.
True.
Yeah.
Just like I said, bro, you're not shot at pum pum, but when they're prison for.
Rape.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it's a mentality. You're sick. Go eat a dick.
No, you never did have a rhyme there.
No, I mean, after right.
You never have a rhyme.
We can't help it.
Okay.
Alright.
Deva Brat.
They no hold grudges against Deva Brat.
Why is it you kick him out?
I'm gonna tell you. Remember, it a tape?
Yeah.
Cause on a rape.
Exactly.
Yes, man, it's a tape. Cause and a rape. So, you know, it's a very sticky situation in Deva Brat, you know. Even when him and also Ira clash. Ira use him a part of that. Is it me I say for win the clash. For win the clash, so. And something where is a stain on the artist's career because Deva Brat is very talented. Is it me I say? Bad artist. Is it me I say? But you know the whole stigma, the grape allegation, the artist just couldn't escape the stigma there. You get to me and say people, so it kinda shed a farmer dark cloud over the artist's career over the years. You see me I say? And him doing this interview on the dancehall bomb, you see me, and I respond to Vybz Cartel. And you know, you hear my this Sean Storm, I call him a loyal fool. You see me, and him a this also Black Rhino.
Big up, Sean Stamp, big up yourself. You're a loyal idiot. I respect you. I respect you for your loyalty. But you know why Vybz Cartel have you around him all along? Because remember, I put you in place of Portmore Empire. I put you, big forehead, bumbuckler, black pepper seed boy, black rhino. I put you in place. Yeah, people ask the question about Deva Brat, you come a pussy bumper rascal, go like say, you don't know who the fuck them attack. Yeah, ball back a daddy. You know, see, ya ball forget to teacher. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, clown. No, me I go style you. Sit down. You chat too much, as daddy say. You chat too much. You're flexing like a girl. Yeah, ease yourself.
Me I big up a clip and drag the
Don't
people.
bring up no clip yet.
Yeah, me want
Let
bring
me
up a
chat.
clip of
Hold
this
on, let
people.
me
Them.
chat to Black Rhino and Sean Storm. I put them in place. Wait. I put them in place. And you want to tell me, say, both of you is not strong enough, or were not strong enough, are still not strong enough to say, listen, daddy, make we put things aside. You did a chance time I come talk about the man and run back at you. And you, Black Rhino, did a run back at daddy when both of you know each other, live with each other, friends with each other before you get to par with Cartel and me put you in place with Cartel because you have look a bit. Chance time, you don't know a favoritism with you. Don't even go there with talent. Black Rhino have little bit of talent. Sean Storm, that's why your song where you put out what you nobody look at it. You need to find your fucking self musically. Find your fucking keys right. Find your lyrics right. You see me run back a pussy clot music? Eh? Me low it too no. I'm wiser than that. God not give no man where them can bear dog. That's how many days I work a warehouse. I am the captain of warehouse. I am the fucking captain. If you say lift it up, I will lift it up. If you say blood clot, fling it over there, so. If you say pack it up, if you say ship it. Me low no with the music. You think me I go do 13 years for no stupid reason when all I could have done was say, listen, this is unnecessary. We have bigger future ahead of us. None of that would have happened. Just like how when media go through a moment when me have no fucking money and me have the artist name we are called in a Jamaica. And me say, somebody when me I say, you know, Jano, that could be my person in life way down the road. You know what? Fuck around. I'm an idler. Idle dog worry sheep. That is why that thing happened because the place I'm supposed to be in life, me there nowhere because the person who me there on was supposed to mentor me and protect me and give me money and make sure some money dead and my mental everything good. Me now get no money and me have the artist fucking name. Me I do every show where you can think of. Me I get every disrespect where I lick down people, box down people. Me have to pay for hotel, pay for car, pay for gunman, pay for police, pay for every pussy clot thing. Me never beg you a dollar. You know that, uncle. Big up yourself. You know from uncle say, yo, my cousin have talent. Any money we need to go up on the road, he might get it. You come and sing song, boy, yo, me never have no rich uncle. Yeah, idiot. Yeah, clown. Everybody have a different life to live. Stop bad mind. One time me and Bombard teacher have an argument like this now. Me go on show, Munga them push me off a stage. Not even Munga. The police boy there, bigger five, push me off a stage.
Yeah.
Me sing it in a song.
Which show was that?
One club Cactus. Where them? Asylum.
Okay.
Asylum with it.
Yeah.
And Busy Signal. Busy Signal is an artist where during the time when, yeah, him a go hard, me have it say, yo, lyricist, sound, projection, yeah. Me need to borrow this guy. I do one of them, all of them guy there. All of them youth there. All of them brethren there. Because they know them are my brethren.
You know, over the 16 year, you get to me and say, and it just can't, it just not leave him alone. You see me and say, it's a stigma will follow him around. So you know, him just been off alone the music for a while. And just overseas right now. I do him thing on our work. So it's a good look for see Deva Brat back on the scene, you see me I say. And it's sad to see him back on the scene and just replying to a negativity, but you know so it go. You see me I say. A part-time in career, you see me, you should have never put yourself in a situation in the first place. You see me. Bear in mind though, Deva Brat was never served time for grape. You see me. As far as we know, it was an allegation, you know. When a lady accused you of them thing there, more likely, they might come lock you up, no matter what you say. You see me? They might come lock you up, hold on upon you until, you know, the case get clear up. So, whether it was, I think it was carnal abuse. So, you know, but as a star, as Vybz Cartel say, you should have never make yourself be caught in that situation. You get to me and say, yes, man. So people tell me what they think, leave the thoughts down below. When you think Vybz Cartel should have just, well, them ask him the question, why him kick him out tight, so you just have to give him honest opinion. But like how Deva Brat never actually served time for a grape, you see me I say, does it really matter? You see me? But once that depends on your name or something you can't brush off, or something you can't rub out, you get to me and say, so in the first place as a star, you should never make it come to that. You get to me and say, that's my honest opinion. You see me and say, you know, we should Deva Brat all the best in their career, and it look like the artist doing well. I'm overseas with them family doing thing. Yes, man. So, get in the comment section and tell me what you think about the situation. Like always, is a like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging. Watch you now. No. I'm out.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know. The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's what you know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! What you know.